Okay, to submit Jackson's Purple Purse assignment, of course, you'd go to Tuesday, scroll down, and click on the link that you want to submit. So Lily's Purple Purse. You're going to hit Submit Assignment. And then to do a video, you're going to go to Media and then click Record or Upload. And when you do that, it will access your camera. It won't do it on mine right now because I am using my camera and my microphone. Sorry, I can't think tonight. If you don't want to record it and you've recorded like on your phone or on the computer, then you can do upload media and then just select a video file and then find it on your desktop and put it into it that way. The other way that you could do it is if you say you took a picture of what he did, you could come here, choose a file, and submit a picture that way. All right, well, let me know if this is helpful.